Hi, I'm Ms. Ree, and this is WordPress Publishing for Absolute Beginners. The topic of this video is how to edit the look of your text on a WordPress blog post or page. The process is pretty much the same whether you're doing a post or a page. So go log into your site and you'll see up in the admin bar you can navigate to whatever page or post that you want, and depending on what blog post or page you're on, you can look in your admin bar and click on this link, edit post or edit page, depending on what you're on, and go directly to the editor for that. We are going to do this a different way. We're going to hover over the name of our site on the far left and click on Dashboard and look in the menu, and we see if we hover over Posts, we can go to All Posts, or if we hover over Pages, we can go to All Pages. So we're going to edit a page today, so let's click on All Pages and hover over the name of the page that we created in an earlier video, New Page for Tutorial. So if you hover over it, you see you get a drop-down menu of Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, or View. And of course, trash means that's to throw away the page, get rid of it. View is to look at what it looks like right now. Quick Edit allows you to edit some various aspects of your page. And Edit allows you to edit the text. Now this is the classic editor, and WordPress has had this editor for ages. This editor has two tabs in the top right of it. The text editor allows you to directly add HTML tags, and we don't want to do that. We want to do it the easy way, with the visual editor. And in the visual editor you can highlight text and click any of these buttons up here to apply various editing techniques. If you don't see all these buttons, look for this toolbar toggle and click it to bring up all the options you have. So I've highlighted some text and I want to make it bold. So let's press this button that says B, and we see that we've bolded this text. Let's highlight some more and italicize with the I button. Highlight some more text, and let's do strike through with this button. Or right here, we can color our text with the color button. We can choose a color from this menu or click on custom and put in our own hex code for a color that we like, maybe something from our website's palette. Right now we'll just choose, let's say, red. And that's what that looks like. We can apply more than one option on something in particular. So let's re-highlight the red colored text and say click on the strike through, and we get red text that's been stricken through. Okay, now one thing you don't see in here is the ability to change the size of your font or the style of your font. That's done in your themes customizer. So the text that you're using, the font, is set by your theme. So let's update this page to save our changes. And go to Appearance, Customize. Now, depending on what your theme is, you'll have different headings here. but you should be able to find something along the lines of typography or colors. And you see you're given options, the background color, footer, so on. For typography, I've set PT Sans as the font on this particular site. I can change the font for the header, top bar, font size, top bar, navigation, navigation, font size, that's my menu. The sub menu, if you, oh, I don't have sub menus right now. Page titles, so on and so forth. Headings, various size headings. They can all have a different font size. So depending on your theme, you'll have different options. Another alternative is to write some of your own style sheet or CSS. That's too complicated. We're not going to mess with that right now. Maybe in a later video. So these are some basic changes you can do. I'll show you in another video how to create a link to a page or post on your site, or to a link to a page on another site. I'll also show you how to add images to your page, or how to add, say, YouTube videos. There's a lot of things you can do. You can add special characters. Let's see, special characters. You can, oh, here, let's do that right now. We'll highlight this paragraph, and with increase indent, we can indent it. We can indent it more. We can say, oh, that's too much, and go to this decrease indent and decrease that. Another thing we can do is create a block quote with this button. And let's see. Oh, I know. We can create a list. So let's go in here and type some new text. List 1, 2, 3, and let's say we want these. Here. Come on. So we want these 3 things to be in a list. We can make that a bulleted list with this button. Or we can change that to a numbered list with this button, just depending on what it is we want it to look like. Let's see, anything else we can do right now? Oh, yes. We can change whether our text is aligned to the left, which is default, or centered, or aligned to the right. Let's put that back to the left. The rest just looks silly right now. And I think that's good for right now. We'll add more options. We'll talk about other things we can do in another video. Let's update our page in the Publish module, and then go to our admin bar and click on View Page and see what our page looks like now that we've made changes. Here's our block quote. No, this is our block quote. Yeah, I think this is our block quote here. This is our indented text. Here's our list. Here's our bold, our italicized, our strikeout, our red text that's also been struck out. And it's looking pretty good so far. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Be sure to check the video description for a link to the full series on WordPress publishing, or click the link on your screen for the next video in this series.